Drought, poor water management, and ungoverned agricultural practices have directly threatened the water security of East Porterville, California. Unfortunately, drought has plagued much of California over the past few years. However, what makes East Porterville's situation unique is that they are one of the few towns that actually ran out of water as early as 2011 due to an absence of agricultural regulation to govern water usage. That is, though the lack of precipitation surely played a role in not replenishing aquifers, the main culprit to the problem is directly associated with the agriculture that the town of East Porterville is based upon. East Porterville is particularly vulnerable to water security in that, until recently, did not have access to city water. This forced locals to rely entirely on well water, which was often contaminated with nitrates and runoff from nearby farms and processing plants. During periods of drought, the farms have to drill deeper wells in search of water for irrigation in order to ensure crop yields. This directly resulted in lowering the water table for the residents of East Porterville, which caused their wells to dry out. Ultimately, aquifers collapse and land subsidence follows. From a macro level perspective, future precipitation patterns suggest that wet regions will get wetter and dry regions will get drier. So less water is expected in the future for East Porterville. This will surely have a negative effect on water security, food security, and energy production in the future. As mentioned before, future climate change in East Porterville will have negative effects as we move into the future. Increases in mudslides, wildfires, disease, and insect infestation are all more likely to occur in the future. Though an increase in temperature could lengthen the growing season, a longer growing season would put even more strain on the area's already low water resources. Though residents from within East Porterville have seen some resolution in terms of newly acquired access to city water, there is much work to be done. The absence of regulations on big agricultural companies allows them the freedom to expend precious resources with little regard to sustainability. Simply put, big agricultural companies need to be held accountable for their impact on surrounding communities in order to secure future sustainability of depleted resources.